Hello everyone. Today's topic for the discussion is curl of magnetic field, that is del cross B. The Ampere circuital law is a simple relation between magnetic field vector B and current capital I. The law is easily applied to calculate vector B, that means magnetic field. When there is sufficient symmetry exists, if the Ampere circuital law is to be applied for to the problem of general nature without a high degree of symmetry, it is necessary to relate the magnetic field vector B with current density vector J. The current density vector J is the current flowing per unit surface area of the conductor. That means here the current density vector J is nothing but the current flowing per unit surface area of a conductor. Now, if J is a current density in an element ds, let there is the small element ds of area S of surface bounded by the closed path, then current I is equal to integration vector J dot ds. Now here integration is taken for the surface, entire surface. Hence Ampere circuital law, cyclic or closed integral B dot dl equal to mu 0 I. If we put value of I from above equation, then we can write cyclic integral vector B dot vector dl equal to mu 0 into integration vector J dot ds. Let this is equation number A, where S is the total area that specifies the region through which the current exists. Now let's consider S is the total area that specifies the region through which the current exists. Using Stokes theorem, integral J ds equal to integral del cross B into ds. Therefore, equation A becomes cyclic integral vector B dot vector dl is equal to mu 0 integration del cross vector B into ds. Let this is equation number B. Comparing equation A and B, we can compare, and from this comparison we can say that vector del cross vector B equal to mu 0 J. This is the differential form of Ampere circuital law. This gives the relation between current density vector J and magnetic field vector B. So this curl of magnetic field vector del cross vector B is equal to mu 0 J, and this equation is called as differential forms of Ampere's circuital law. Now where vector B is magnetic field and vector J is the current density. That means the current flowing through the surface area of conductor per unit surface. So this is the curl of magnetic field. Thank you.